Yeah, hello guys. So today we are going to pair and customize our new Oraimo Watch Nova N. So this video is just about how you can pair the Oraimo Watch to your phone and how to customize certain features and sports modes. Yeah. So before that, make sure you download the Oraimo Health app from the App Store or the Play Store if you are using Android. And make sure the Oraimo Watch is on factory reset. So you can do that by turning on the watch, going to settings, and scroll down to the end and click on factory reset. Yeah, so the Oraimo watch has been reset and you begin by logging into your normal Oraimo account. So if you don't have an account Oraimo, you just visit the Oraimo eShop and create an account. Then you log in. Yeah, so let's log in. So you enter your email address. So after entering your details, you come back, you read and accept the terms and conditions and click on login. Yeah, so this is the interface of the Oraimo Health app. You can check. Let's click on the watch side. Okay, so it has been connected already. Let's unpair and pair it again. So if you come to the watch side, the Oraimo watch has restarted, so let's set it up. So you come here, click on add device. So you can pair this device either via QR code or pair with Bluetooth. So pair via Bluetooth. So make sure your Bluetooth is turned on and the device is a bit closer to your phone. So click on pair with Bluetooth. So in here they give you options. So you scroll through and check the model. If you are using the watch series or the Pro, the Plus or the Epic, we are using the Nova series. So let's go to the Nova N. I think that's the last one. You click on the watch Nova N. So you see it's searching for the Oraimo Nova N. So you need to make sure the device is close. So yeah, so it has detected it. So let's click on Oraimo Watch Nova N _1C8. Yeah, so you wait for it to connect. You accept, and so the watch is successfully binded. So from here you can do, it has 88 battery percent. So the first thing Oraimo marketed was the watch faces. So over here you can click on it. You see they have tons of watch faces you can switch to. So let's choose this and you set as current down. So you see that it will start synchronizing with the watch. And after a few seconds, the new watch face. So this is called a Health Fusion 0.23 megabytes. So it will download on your phone and later send it to the watch for it to work. Yeah, so this is it. So you can also create your own via your gallery, or you can even convert text to image. So you enter a prompt, then it generates the watch face for you. So this is the example. They give an example: a girl with long hair holding a balloon. So let's try a boy with dreadlocks holding a phone. So let's generate this. Okay, so after the prompt, you need to select a style. Let's choose the cyberpunk and click on generate. So I think you need to give it some time too. So this it actually worked. The dreadlocks holding phone. So if you are not satisfied, you can regenerate again and it'll give you a different style. So let's see. It's loading. So from here you can choose a font color and choose the time format, whether it should be at the bottom or the top corner. Then you click set as down, and after some few minutes it will customize. After a few minutes it will transfer to your watch. Yeah, so it has finally succeeded. So this is our new AI watch face. So we use the text to image prompt, and so you can convert another image to image and convert a portrait to cartoon and all of that. So I think Oraimo did well with the new AI features. It's not just about choosing the already made one. You can just create new watch faces with your own prompt and all of that. So let's check my dials. So this is the dials I've used so far. So this is the create dials, and this is the ones I use from the dial market. So they have a market of already crafted watch faces. You just need to click and use that. Yeah, so aside that, I come to the widget side. So currently the widget side, I have music, Bluetooth, call sports. You can add weather, blood oxygen, alarm clock and all of that. So the minimum is 4. So if you want to add, you need to remove some of the features and add again. Yeah. So now let's go to the sports and health setting. So here you can set your own goals, daily step count and all the stuff to track your health and other stuff. So I already talked about the remote camera. You just need to click or shake to take a picture on your phone. Just shake with a 3 seconds timer, and then a picture will be taken and saved into your gallery. Yeah, so these are just some of the features you can customize with your oraimo watch aside the normal exercise, voice assistant, daily activities. So I have the full review here on the channel. You can check it out and see what this device can do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.